Then one day we'll all go marching. We'll go marching through the pearly gates.
Y'all ready to see some alligators today?
Yep, you're ready.
So I can hardly speak, and I seem to find the happiness I see when I'm together dancing cheek to cheek.
Well, just walking down here in Bourbon Street, New Orleans, just checking out how this street looks like. It's a very popular street, and this is where they do the Mardi Gras festivals. So it's one of the most popular streets here. Lots of parties going on, lots of people doing stuff that are cool. So if you're in New Orleans or you visit New Orleans, make sure you check out this street. Actually, driving around you can see things properly. It's a mess.
Ooh, I hear somebody beating on some cans. Ooh, can you drive straight? Oh, you can't drive straight. But yeah, you can.
Why?
Just drive straight.
That's what I'm trying to do. People are in the way.
There's some music being played somewhere. There's much culture here than Phoenix.
Oh, most definitely.
Oh, that's a jazz pub. Yeah.
It seems to me like there's
Running,
a lot of
running.
Oh,
Running.
yeah.
This kind of beats walking, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It's a long street too, ain't it?
Yeah, driving like this is better because it's still capturing it.
Mm-hmm. All these balconies at the party be going on up there.
Mm-hmm.
Mardi Gras store. Fuego Bourbon.
What is bourbon?
Liquor.
Is that an alcohol?
Yep. It's called spirits.
Really?
Alcohol is called spirits.
Why?
Because it brings out spirits.
Thank you, YouTube, for joining me here in Think Museums. Today we are in New Orleans, Louisiana, and we're checking out some cool stuff in this beautiful city of New Orleans. Today we are here in the French Quarters and we're walking down the streets of Bourbon. This street here, a lot of things happen, like the Mardi Gras festival, and you see jazz festivals going on and off along the street corners. You're seeing some people drumming, you'll see some people, a band just playing music like this one's here. So it's a pretty interesting street. If you've never been to New Orleans and this is your first time watching content from New Orleans, please stick around so you can see some pretty cool stuff. Another interesting fact that I just came to find out is that jazz music is a very big part of the culture of Louisiana. Louis Armstrong, one of the biggest jazz musicians, was born in this city or in Louisiana, and they actually dedicated the airport, the Louis Armstrong International Airport. So when we flew in here, we flew into Louis Armstrong International Airport. Oh, look at that. It's kind of creepy. It looks like I'm in France or something. Oh wow,
Yes, beautiful.
that's pretty cool. That's cool.
I think Bourbon Street at night would be funner.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
it's probably packed out here.
But it's all the lights and everything.
Wow. Every pub has a band.
Yeah.
Jeez, I like that.
Right.
Yeah, I like that.
Live band.
Yeah, I like that more than anything.
Not just a DJ.
Yeah.
What street?
We walk far, right?
Yeah.
You're right, it's like a strip. You can keep walking.
But it's
walking,
hot on
walking.
this side.
Do you have, oh, you want to go on the other side of the gate?
Inside of my life, I'll be alright. Do that. Baby, I said dance with me. I want my heart and you. Your tongue's got me. You're carrying me through up to heaven. I'm in heaven. And my big soul that I can hardly speak. And I seem to find the happiness I see. We're not together, there's a